Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Manish. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today, on the huge demand of my subscribers, they call me on the phone, they send me some mails. They want I supposed to make my important topic the mess up. Means I have to give some part of my previous topic. So what I decide today, I club some of my requested video and make one new video. So please enjoy and learn. And if you have any doubt, please make comment. I will definitely reply you. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Manish. Today we are going to learn how to use the rating function, because you anytime you notice when we buy any electrical items is mentioned 3 stars, 4 stars, star, because they show that if the something is a 5 star means is power saving, 2 star is less power saving. So how you put this function in Excel? Let's come to our sheet. Yes, now you can see here the items are given and rating also given. Rating means power consumption rating. Now how to we put the star there? Is equal to REPT, repeat, open quote, star, close quote, comma, rating, close bracket, enter. You can see here is showing, and now you can drop down. Here you can see like is the star is showing. You can see here like this function we use to print, like print a sticker for the electrical items for the power rating, what power they are taking. Like that, this Samsung TV is rating 5, it will show 5, that we are going to use. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Excellent Manish. I hope you are doing well. Today what we are going to learn, we are going to learn how to make monthly sales report in Excel with advanced formulas. We will make the first of all monthly sales report, and as per monthly sales report we will make the yearly sales report. So let's go to our screen. You can see my screen. Now we are making the monthly sales report. First of all we have to make the months. So we for months we are making drop down list. How we can make? Select this row, go for the data validation here, and data validation, click here. Now you can choose here the list. I already make the list in other sheet of the month list. You can see here and click OK. Here you can see here the all the month came, like January, February, March, whatever, from January to December, because I taken only these months. Now from now for the date, because this is the month we are taking, now we are using the date formula, merge. Now use formula for date value. Okay, open quote 1, close quote, and select month. It means this will what the month came, it will select the first day of the month. Now enter. You can see here, because this format in general we are changing in the short date. You can see here it will come on the short date here. Now Now for here sort date, we are going to color it so we easy understand. Now this is the date 1st January. Now that is we are from TO2. Okay. Now end date is supposed to be take end date also. Here merge use end date formula is equal to EO month, because end of this month this comma 0 close bracket. And now you can see here, because this is not in the date format, we convert into a sort date format and make it color, make it bold, make it more border, so we understand. Now you can see here it will now automatically change. Like if you came for February, it will go 22nd of the February, so it will change according to the month. Now after this one, what we are going to do, we are going to do the date and days individual, because sales report supposed to be made on the daily basis. Now what to do, first we are choosing the date is equal to, no, now here let me make it bold so you people can understand well. For first, we what we have to do, date is equal to, because we have to take one, we select here this date. Now enter, you can see the date come completely. For we have to, this one we have to change this one in the 1 2 3, so we go for the format cells. Format cells, you go in the custom, you just choose only D, means only first. You can find here it came now. But for the second date, what you have to do, second date you have to do, use the formula if is equal to, if formula, open bracket, open bracket, control F4, because we have to fix the sales lower than, select this one, four, comma, this one plus 1, because it will be add in 1 to 1. You can see here, but this format is not in the date, so what we have to do, we use a sort date. Now this we also go for the format cells, custom, and use only D, because you are going to choose only date here, and pull till here, because it's not going to do like this. February, this is February, let's make it January, It will come till here, 31st of January. Now we have to make proper column proper way. So just here. Now you can see in the one sheet. Now we are going to choose the days. What days? So we are going to use equal to TEXT text. Okay. B3 comma, because we are DDD, it will come day and close the bracket. You can find here Saturday is coming. Now pull till 31st. It came automatically here. I will show. Let me make it little bold. This also make bold. Now you find here this, because Sunday most of the company not work. We have to make it color red. Red means that is holiday, weekly off. What we are going to do? We are make the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Select this one and the text content. You have to put SUN Sunday. It will become with the red. You can find any Sunday. It will come on the red. Now, how? Let me check. Today is like 23rd of November. Let me see here and we find whether this my formula is working or no. November. November is today is 23rd of November is today's, you can see here Wednesday. Means my formula is correct. Now go for write the product name. Here I already put my write the product name, make it copy and paste here. Now you can make now use the sum form and select from here to till end. Here let me recheck the formula. Now you can understand this one, why I make this one, to make sure, because that is a 28th of the February. It's not, cannot go beyond. If it go beyond that, I change a small formula. I will give that formula in my description box. Now we can start to make our sales report. Like you sold the TV on the 1st of January. Let me start from January. 5 TV you sold, 2 fridge you sold, AC you didn't sold on 1st of January, DVD you sold 8, and PS4 you sold 1. Now you can see here the grand total is coming automatically. Let me make it bold and let me make it visible. Here, like according to this one, you can, because Sunday is the holiday, so you cannot put like one. You can put accordingly this one 9, 5. You put whatever you make the sold, make 8, 5, 9, 17. I'm just giving one example so you understand well. Any figure you can take, because this is only the example, is not the real figures. Because why? It will automatically update. You can see we make for the January. Now for January, what we are going to make, we are going to make for the whole year. So I will let you know how to make, first of all, the sheet, multiple sheet in same workbook. Use this one. Let me make this one. Okay. Now you put here months. We already have months there. We use that one, months. Now last video I show you, go insert pivot table, existing workbook, put here. Now this one here, month, you can put on the filter. Now go to option, show in the filter page. Now you can see all the month is generated. You can see if you go down, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Here. Now for this data, Control A, Control C, copy. Now we have to paste all. What we do? This one, Control key, select March, April. This will be go automatically for all the page copy. No need to do one by one like I'm doing. You can see here December, and now paste. Here like January, you make this same you make for the February, and you make same for the March like this, and after that I make like this. Here if I put January data, we have to link this sheet on January. Here now fridge, we use this data. Now for AC, use this data. For DVD, this data. And PS4 here. Same you make for the February, March, April, May, June, and July and December. Now automatically it will update the whole year. You sold 101 pieces of the like this sheet you connected with the other sheets also, other month. So after that you can get the monthly sales report. I think you understand. And this master sheet for the sales report, I will put these formulas in my description box, please. Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Excellent Manish. As you are aware that in Excel the sum formula everybody use, but sometime if we want to save our time we have to use advanced formula. Is look like similar to the sum formula, but it is more advanced version of sum formula. We called it sum product. So I will show you one sheet. First we use the sum formula, and then I will let you know how to use the sum product formula, that is the advanced version, and it's the time saving formula and is the more elaborative formula for the addition, subtraction and division and multiplication. So let's go to our sheet. You can see here. Now in this sheet that I will use the formula normal sum. Here in my sheet is given continent, product, quantity sold, price per piece and total sales. If I say I want to sum up of all these things, what the normal people do? First let me start with normal is equal to SUM, sum formula is equal bracket open and select quantity sold, multiply price and close the bracket and enter. You can see the total sales came for the Europe continent fish product. Now you can do the drag down and you will get the complete total sales. And now is the grand total is 91,000. Let me make it yellow. $91,933. But it is time consuming process. Now we are going to use the advanced formula. So in one formula, in one row, you can get the complete total of the total sales. Now total sales I am putting here is equal to some product, some product, open the bracket, quantity sold, okay, make the put the comma. Now array to price per piece either per quantity, and you can do the close the bracket and enter. Now you can see this 91,933 is the total sales value. You now it prove if you use the sum product formula in one row, in one calculation, you get the sum of total sales at once. Now let me go for the advanced level of this one. This is the one way we have to do. Now this I make little bit elaborative, and this formula will go the higher level. This date is given, continent is given, product is given, and quantity sold is given, price and amount because that is amount is given. I already do the sum formula here. Now total sales, let me do total formula is equal to sum product, open the bracket, and you can do and till here and close the bracket. Now enter. Is 91,933. But if somebody asks, please give me sales value as continent wise, if you can do in two ways. One, you can put the filter and then you have to do calculate one by one, but that take time. Now I will teach you how to use the continent wise, the item wise sales value and sales quantity. First let's go for continent wise. Now we can start the formula is equal to sum product, because first we want the sales for Europe. Sum product, open the bracket and again bracket. Now we can use the sales amount, complete selection of sales amount, bracket close, multiply, open the bracket, one more bracket. Now select the continent. Now what we want, again we put is equal to open quote, double quote, write EUROPE, Europe, open and close. You can see the formula, sum product, open bracket, this one, open bracket, the continent, and what continent we want. Sorry, here we have to put the quote close. So we get Europe sales 12,696. I will show you cross checking with the filter basis. Now we go for the America sales. Same formula. Let me put it again. Either let's do the copy here. Copy, paste. But here, because it searched for Europe, now we are going for America. AMERICA, America. And now enter. Same formula, only we are taking America. This is $25,686. Third one, we go for the Middle East. We have to select all the cells. Now we have to put Middle East and enter. You can get $18,808. Now Asia. Here we change instead of middle because we want Asia. Enter. Now we need for Africa. Africa. You get 11,630,000. Now last Australia. Australia. Now we have to put instead of Africa we have to AUSTRALIA. Okay, enter. Now you get continent wise sales value. Continent wise sales value. Continent wise sales value. And I'm making the sum up so you understand well. Sum here is whether my figure is correct or wrong, either wrong. You get same 91 here, this and that. You can see is both are match. Okay, now go for the second category of species sold, which means the product what we have sold sales wise. Now we want to know what is the total value of the sales of fish, chicken, pork, meat and milk. Now we use the same formula what we use, just copy and paste. But here you no need to, here we have to change the formula because last time we take the continent. You can see on the screen what I'm doing. Just copy the product here and put fish. You can get, we sold the fish, the value 3,368. Now go for the chicken. I am changing instead of fish, just you type CHICKEN, chicken. You can get the value 19,544. Now I'm displaying how to get the specific amount of specific item. You cannot do this thing by using the sum formula, but with the sum product formula you can get easy. Now let's move for the third product, pork. I'm copying same formula. I repeat, formula is sum product, open bracket, open bracket, the figures what we have to take in the amount, and bracket close, multiply, open bracket and open bracket, and select the item which you want to take for the sales value. Now we are taking the product, and now is equal to what we want actually. Now we want pork instead of chicken, so I'm changing pork. You get $12,691. Meat, you get 38,970. And the last is the milk. Here, let me make it broad. You get here, we want to specific value, like here the fish is species wise sales value. Here we sold total fish 33,368, chicken 19,544, pork 12,691, meat 38,970, and 17 milk 17,360. Now let me prove how it correct or not correct. Put the sum formula, open bracket here. Just want to show you whether my figure is correct or wrong. You get 91,333. That is our real figure. That is our real figure of the sales. Last is little bit change. Here we want to take the quantity. How many quantity of species sold in quantity? Use same formula, but let me show you here. I'm going to copy to save the time. Copy here and paste, but here supposed to be changed. I'm showing what we are going to change. Here instead of this one, we are taking quantity. Here now what we want to take first? Fish. Okay, here we change, because whatever we want we have to write here fish. You get the is quantity does not, so we have to remove the number one. So 16,000 1,684 quantity we sold the fish. Now go for the another one for the chicken. Sorry, let me change the format so easy for us. Just do the copy and paste. Now you have to see now second is chicken, CHICKEN. Okay, enter 2,443 number of the pieces we sold. Now come for the pork. If you spell correct, it will become correct, otherwise it will go wrong. Now we have to meat. Now meat, MEAT. You get the figure 2,598. And the last is the milk. How many liters you sold? First you have to check whether you have to take this time product and quantity sold. If you get the correct one, now we have to write milk, because this will find only milk. Now 1,736. After that, let me cross check whether I calculated correct or wrong. Here 10,274. Let me cross check here. This is the quantity sold. Now we have to use one formula. Here is equal to sum, select and close the bracket. You can see 10,000. Now here this figure and that figure is my correct. 10,274 and 10,000 here 274 items we sold. With this we can prove it that if we use this formula we can get different category wise sum, and sum either in amount, either in pieces, either in a, even we can even continent also, even product wise, quantity wise, date wise also. So I hope my friends you understand well. If you have any query, please write me in the comments. I will reply you surely. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and comment. Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Excellent Manish. How are you? Today we are going to discuss one important formula in Excel. The formula contains the calculation of net working days. What is the net working days? Net working days means you can use for the any project, you can use for your staff, you can use for many other purpose like the calculation of the days, but it's not the normal days, is use the weekends. It reduce automatically weekends. Either you can choose weekends as well as holidays as your choice, and it also choose the, if you want to Saturday and Sunday weekends holiday, otherwise you can choose any days of the week. Like some staff members they off on other working days, like some persons their weekly off is Monday, sometime Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, some mostly people on Sunday. So this formula automatically detect from the days to date and calculate actual working days. This formula will enable you to calculate. Let's calculate. Yes, you can see in my screen the start date and end date. Now we are going to calculate net working days. Means this date will reduce the Saturday and Sunday came between of all this date. I taken the date 1st of January 2022 till 31st of December 2022 for whole year, but it will not calculate complete year days. It will be reduced automatically the weekends, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Let's see how it work. Equal to net work days this comma this, close the bracket. You can find the person who work for this duration, he actually work for 260 days, not 365 days. In a year 365 days, but this formula reduce the weekends automatically. Now come to our second example. I taken 1st of October to 31st of October end date. Let me make it bold, easy for you. Like I find that in these with I will take to complete one project for this for in a month of October, but in the month of October there are 3 holidays also except weekends holiday. Now I have to calculate how many days I have in my hand to complete my project. You cannot say that in October you have 31 days. No, because in 31 days I have to reduce the weekends and holidays also. Now let's calculate. Is equal to net work days this comma end date comma, you completely select all 3 holidays and close the bracket. It's showing in October I have only 19 days to complete my project, not 31 days, because this formula calculate reduce the all the weekends and these holidays what I given. Suppose I can exclude this public holiday and that find the days. Now come to my third and important. This is because in not all companies they provide 2 weekends, 2 days weekends holiday. Some companies they provide one, some companies they not provide anything. So how we calculate? I'm taking same date, start date and end dates. Start date 1st of October 2022 and end date 31st of October 2022. Now how we calculate? Suppose I have to calculate is equal to net working days dot intl. We are going to use this formula. Okay, start date comma end date. Now comma, if I put comma, it's showing many days like Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday only. I'm choosing I will provide only one weekend holiday only on Sunday. So I will choose this, close the bracket. Now you calculate. Now in October, my staff will work for 26 days because I provide only one holiday, weekly holiday, only one day, only on Sunday, not Saturday and Sunday. But you can choose other days also. This formula make us enable for any other days. But let me use this same thing like I use the holidays. If my person I provide these holidays 23rd of October, 24th of October, 25th of October because in these days the Pauli festival was celebrated in India. So we are going to use how many days now is equal to networking days dot intl. Okay, start date comma end date, then comma Sunday only. Okay, then comma I have to use this is E19 E19, sorry, because I cannot see here because is it take only one. No, E19 E21. Okay, now you can see if I given my staff only for Sunday holiday and there is some holiday in that month, so he will work, actually he work for 24 days. I hope you understand this thing because this is important. Sometimes your employee don't want to give any holiday, you want to calculate. Let me give one more example like start date and end date. Let me give the one more example, it's good for everybody, like from 1st to 8 October 2022. Okay, now I have to use I provide, if you find this one start date and end date, let me network days start date minus end date, you find only 5 days. Actually if you calculate is 8 days but it reduce Saturday and Sunday. Let me see the calendar. In October, 1st October was a Saturday, it not taken. 2nd October was the Sunday, it not taken. From Monday 1 2 3 4 5 working days. It means my formula is correct. Now let me use another formula, net work days dot intl. The start date minus end date, comma, holidays. Net work days, no, I have to use other formula. Dot intl, okay. Now let me use again one, so it get net work days dot intl, start date, comma, end date, comma. Now pop-up came which we did. Suppose I not provide any days in my month, so I don't need to choose anything. Just close the bracket. You find still same thing. But if you point, comma, like Sunday only, okay, you find 7 days, because Saturday and Sunday skip from there. Sunday we will provide only holiday. I hope you understand this thing well. This formula very useful for, like, if you are working on any project and we find actual working days. Because if you tell, if I say you work, I am giving 2 months to complete this project, that time I think I have 60 days in my hand, but originally when I count, there's not 60 days. I have to reduce Saturday and Sunday. If that is my weekly holiday, either in that these month, that any public holiday is also there, we have to reduce. Then we find this, I have that particular days to complete that project in 2 months, not 60 days. That formula is usable for that one. I hope you understand well. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much. Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Manish. Today we are going to discuss some important issues. Like in every company, the staff is the important. All the employee is very important for the any organization. For keeping the record for the staff, we have to maintain attendance. Because if we knows a person who's coming, who came on time, either who not came, who was absent, we knows, okay, this person is absent for in the month, for 2 days, 5 days, whatever, so we can control on it on the basis of attendance register. Now, either two ways, either we have to buy the attendance software, that will be more expensive. Today we will learn how to make attendance register in Excel that automatic calculate. It will be give the detail of the staff wise, employee wise, total how many days he presented, how many days he absent, any public holiday. It also I will show you step by step. Let's go to now. Come to the screen. This I'm showing how to make the attendance register. This is the, let me make it bold so you can understand well. This is the name of the employee. You can put name of the employee, Olatunji, Ajibola, Manish, Srikumar, Vaibhav, Farisai, Aditya, Ram, Ganesh, Balaji, Sulochana, Krishna, and Ramesh. This is the month, date from 1st to, you can see, from 1st to 31st, you can see here. Okay. After that, we have to take, because we are making, let me make here, let me do OCTOBER October 2022. Okay, this attendance sheet make for the October month. In October, 31st of day of the this, and first day of October start from Saturday. Why I make Sunday? Sunday always red, because Sunday is always holiday. But if suppose this you can make in some countries, there's a Friday holiday also. So you can take, instead of Sunday, you can choose Friday and make it color as a red. Because why? You can easily understand. This red color means holiday. Let's go to our sheet. Now, this we make here the all borders. Okay, now this red we can make complete as a red, because so everybody understand. Okay, let do. Now, okay, copy, paste, copy, paste. This is the copy and paste. Now you can see all the public holiday, all the Sunday, I make the color by red. So easy understand. Now let's start like Ola Tanji. On Saturday, P for present, A for absent, A for absent. So we can write down like P, A, P, A, P, P, A, P, and A. So we can fill like in, because in on the 1st of October, Olatunji was present, Ajibola Falola was absent, Manish was present, P is present. It indicate. Now let's do. Because we have to fill first. Because if you make the sheet, you have to do every day, and I will teach you how to do end of the month. That you like. Because first we have to take like Yes. Now you have the data who is present, who is absent on all complete whole month. Now, so now we have to put for Sunday H. H means holiday. That track down because Sunday is for all staff is a holiday, but in some company for some staff is not the holiday. Like if person is working in the shift, they can you can see here H holiday. Yes. Now we are using the formula to find out who is present and who is not present. Let me make it more colorful so easy for us. Now, okay, here, now we arrange all the data. Now for here, we have to make it on the mid so you understand. Now we are using the formula to use which employee present in October, how many days he not presented. Now come to here. Wait. Understand? Now here use the formula very well. Let me show you bold so you understand well. Is equal to COUNT count if close the bracket and select where is going to count. Select from here. Here you can see we are selecting this complete row and comma open quote P because P we want how many days they presented, close and close the bracket and enter. You can see the first staff, the name Olatunji, he presented in October for 16 days. Now same thing we use for absent, how many days he absent is equal to count if open the bracket. Now take the here go here comma open quote A for absent close and close the bracket. You can see 10 days. How many days holidays is equal to count if open the bracket select all here because we are taking for first staff. Now comma open quote H, okay, close the bracket. You can see first staff Mr. Olatunji He presented in October 16 days, he was absent for 10 days, and the total holiday is the 5. Now you can drag, you can go for copy here and paste. It will come automatically for all the stuff. Go and paste here. Now you can find out which stuff, how many days they presented. Like other second staff, 17 days he presented the name of the second staff, Ajibola Fulula. He presented for 7 days, 9 days absent, 5 days the holiday for everybody. Like 13, all the days calculated. On this basis, you can calculate their salaries. Attendance is the first important record to keep record for the staff management, because if we have the track of attendance, we can calculate and we can find out who is coming on regular basis, who is going absent, and what the reason, for controlling purpose also. I hope you understand this thing well. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.